Hello guys, this is 𝐀𝐥𝐢𝐛𝐚 here from Enbon LED Display. Today we bring our brand new product 𝐸-module. This is a series for indoor fixed installation. Let's take a see what is different. 𝐸-module is a highly flexible commercial solution. The module is front maintenance. Its size is 250 by 250, and there are also multiple options for the cabinet size, such as 500 by 250, 750 by 250, and 1000 for the 250. In terms of piece size, we have like P1.9, 2.9, and 3.9. We also design solution with 90 degrees. It means that the cabinet on both sides are splitting at 55 degrees and made there more possibility for the indoor solution. The cabinet is 14 mm thick and also comes with a hard connection and also support double backup options such as the double power supply or double receiving card option. Compared with the other product, it brings more choice. It can be well matched with some commercial projects such as shopping center, meeting room, halls, and with some 90-degree video walls. So that's all for our 𝐸-module product. If you're interested in this product, you can consult us at Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. Let's see you next time.